today I learned one code very amazing. We know when we want a great code, first we need to write PSVM, right? Public static void main. Okay, this one finish. We wanna create one variable word. For devils or example, int x equal by 11. Okay, I'm here, 11. We know about if. If you know where we use person user, when we using about code if, when you wanna go and when you wanna use it one file or page, you need password. Yeah, example in Google, you wanna find one app. When you choose, you have to write your password. If your password is right, then compiler believe you can open file and use it. Or if your password is wrong, you cannot use this application, right? This is about code if. So that's why for me very cool. Comment here. Okay, I comment here. I told you before about comment /star and blah blah blah. Write code and /star. If you want more than one code, you have to write two slash. Okay. About code if. We write if x equal by 11, right? So for code we write like that. If x bigger smaller than 2, or if x bigger than 10, equal by what? Okay, this two small line near together here, these two line, this is means in language coding or bigger or smaller. So to slash cross line to cross line, this is mean in language coding or. Okay, and this one, remember in HTML and HTML, this one just like parentheses, like, right? We use like parentheses, but here this is means smaller, and this is mean bigger. This one in small parentheses, this means bigger. Okay, for s out in parentheses we write x it's false or x it's right. You have to degree. I 1 degree this is false, I 1 degree this is true. Okay, because you boss. So I won't write here x it's false or it's true. Then when we run, we can answer. Example, okay, here is because very small number, we can understand, don't need to run. X 11, okay, x bigger than 10 and smaller than 2. This is false, yeah, because x bigger than 2. Okay, now about boolean, about code boolean. Example, again we repeat in this process. Again we write PSVM because we want to write new code. We write PSVM, this process finish, and system out or s out, and we here write int x equal by 11. Okay, then I will write new code about boolean. Okay, about if we understand, about boolean we want to understand. Boolean a little bit like code if. Boolean, this is, I write here boolean b, I write here boolean d. Yes, this means I have two code, I have two option for boolean, or b c d f e until z, whatever what you want. Boolean b, first I I told compiler, I say compiler, sorry, my x is 11. Boolean b equal by false or boolean b equal by true. This boolean true or false. Okay, how we write? For boolean b, I write x bigger, x smaller than 2 and x bigger than 10, right? Okay, this, we have here two in keyboard, something like that. See, like 8, like number 8. This is when you write together 2 times, 8 8, like 18 8. This is a language code. This means and. So boolean b equal by x smaller than 2. Yeah. What is x? 11 we have here. And x bigger than 10. Yes, bigger than bigger than 10 because it's 11. Okay. We have here one if. Code if. Remember? We make comment here. We now wanna use. Why we wanna use? Why? Because we have here two boolean. Boolean B and boolean D. Right? Boolean D what say? Boolean D say x multiply 11. Okay, we say about multiply before. Why we write to multiply? Because this is degree. This comment from compiler from Java, because wanna we quickly grade code. Okay, or we write plus x plus 11, x equal by 11. Okay, now we confuse which one is true, boolean b or boolean d, about this number, about variable, my variable number, about 11. Which one is true? Okay, variable x here 11, right? Okay, which boolean is true and which boolean is false? Okay, we're thinking x smaller than 2. Okay, is not right? This is false. And we have and here. X bigger than 10. Yes, because it's 11. Okay, this part of code is true. This part. Okay, look, this part. But this part not true. This part true. Okay. So this boolean number b, it's false because all the code is not true, and about and it should two code is true. Okay, if I write here, or yes, because one code is true, because x bigger than 2, because x bigger than 10. Yes, here, because this part of code is true, we can say true, because we use code or. But I don't write here or, I write here and. This means should in the side, in the right of code, and in the left of code here, and the right of code here, it should be true. So this boolean b always false. Yeah. But about boolean d, this is true. Boolean t what say? Boolean t said, boolean d said x plus 11. Okay, we go up looking. Oh, yeah, right. This is 11. Okay, so boolean D, code boolean D. I wanna take parentheses here. This one. This code don't have problem. This is clear code. Yeah, boolean D equal boolean D said x equal by 11. Yeah, right. Plus 11. So if we use code F, okay, if B in parentheses or D, if B or D, what here writing about code F, we writing in S out false, X is false here, okay, here, X is false. This is system out code F, right? This code boolean B false. Yes, boolean B, this one false. But about boolean D, this is true. Okay, why here don't say boolean B equal by true? Why when we do run not come this one? Because here system out S out code F we decree X, it's false. F, okay, if I write here it's X, F I write here X equal by true, compiler answer B equal by true, right? But we write here, right, B is true. Sorry, D is true. D true. Yeah, boolean D is true and